Hi, and welcome to the DIY guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background on your MacBook. So one of the first things you may want to do when you buy a brand new MacBook is you want to customize it. And a great way to do that is to change the default background or the desktop image of the MacBook. So in order to do this, you are going to navigate to the desktop and you're going to do a equivalent of a right click in a MacBook. You'll have two fingers on the touchpad and you'll press at the same time and it'll bring up these options. You're going to go ahead and select Change Desktop Background. And once it loads, you're going to see that you have quite a few default options. You have a couple of preloaded generic options. You can download these by clicking the download icon in the top right. It looks like a cloud with a down arrow. So I'm going to go ahead and click one of those and select it just to kind of show you what it does. Notice that it's downloading. It only takes a few moments to download and it will automatically change once it's done. So it automatically applies. Beautiful. So let's go ahead and look at another one. I'm going to get there using the same method. Notice that there are light and dark options depending on what your preferences are. You can click the light still and it'll brighten it up. Same image but brighten it up, or dark still. And again, same image but it'll darken it up. Pretty awesome. So I happen to prefer the light version. Let's go ahead and look at a couple more. They have some of these unique edited images. So I'll download that one. It'll change here in a moment. Kind of artistic. Let's look at the different versions. Very nice. Another option is you may want to upload a photo. Doing that is easy. You'll go ahead and press the plus icon in the bottom left. And then you're going to select the location of where your background image is saved. In this case, I already have two images that I saved online. And I created a folder called Desktop Backgrounds. I'm going to go ahead and select one of those now. And I have an additional one that I selected. So I'll go ahead and click that. You have an option alternatively to change an image using some preloaded timeframes in case you like to have a varying background. And you can select random order. Let's say you have 50 different images here and you wanted them to change every 5 minutes. You could do that. If you're interested in finding an image online, but you're not sure how, it's very simple. Go ahead and open up your internet browser. Could be Google Chrome or Firefox or Safari. And just simply go to Google. And let's say you want desktop background for mountains. After you type in desktop background mountains, go ahead and click images. And then there's a couple filters here inside of the tools that will make this easier for you. For size, click large. And in my case, usage rights, since I'm making a video, we'll want to do Creative Commons licenses, which means they are free to use. And you can select images this way. Let's say you like this one. You can go ahead and right click and open image as a new tab. And this is going to give you a high quality version of that image. Again, we selected large, so we filter all the small thumbnails, which is going to be lower pixels and lower size. In this case, this is a high quality image, so this is going to be perfect for a background. So I'll right click, save image as, and I'll save it to the folder that I have. Then again, I can go change my desktop background, and I'll now see that image loaded. So I could use that one as my default background. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.